Okay guys, so I'll be beginning with my brows, and I'm taking a dark pencil and defining my brows, defining the arch of my brows and filling in any spaces that need to be filled in. After which I'll be taking a concealer that is a shade or two lighter than my skin tone to highlight my brows and to define them. So in the top frame, I'm using my foundation brush to blend out the concealer so that there's a smooth transition into the foundation. Now I'm taking NYX jumbo pencil in milk to prime my eyes so that the colors may be as vibrant as they need to be. Yeah, so yeah, I was looking at my rabbit because she was behaving all kinds of crazy. In a few seconds you will see her jump on the chair. Yeah, I don't know what she was doing. There she is. I'm now taking one of my brushes and blending out that NYX jumbo pencil, and yeah, I was getting a bit of shedding with the brush, but yeah, continue to blend. Now it's time for the applications of the eyeshadow. First I'm taking a champagne gold and placing that in the center of my eyelids. Now after applying that champagne gold in the center of the eye, we're going to apply a yellow to the inner third of the eye, and remember to pack on that color so that the yellow shows. Also remember to touch up the colors as you go along to intensify the color payoff. To the last third of the eye, I'll be applying a orange color and keeping it in a V-like shape. ensure that the orange and the other colors blend together seamlessly. To the crease, we'll be applying a burgundy maroon color, and remember to blend this into the other colors. To the brow bone, a flesh tone color would be applied and blended into that burgundy color. Now we'll be applying our highlights concealer under the eyes to clean up the eyes and to define the eyeshadow, along with applying the rest of it on our peaks, highlighted peaks. You can see in the video at the top. If you'd like a full video on how I apply my concealer, what I use, etc., please comment down below and like the video. Now we're going to finish up the eyes with some liner. We're going to use this blue eyeliner as a primer, and we'll be applying a blue eyeshadow on top of that on the first half of the eye, and a purple eyeshadow on the second half of the eye. I'll now be applying my foundation to the places that I didn't apply the highlight concealer, and the foundations that I'm using is Beige Cosmetics and Mary Kay. I'll write the shades down below if you want to know. setting my under eye with a light powder, and in the frame above I'm setting the whole face with a powder that is my shade, and I'm sweeping it over the highlight so that it blends properly. Here I'm applying a orange blush, that orange one that you see at the top, to my cheeks and blending it in. After which I lined my lip with a green liner and apply my Santee baby lips lipstick in green. Yeah, YouTuber problems. And here is the final look with the green lips. Hope you guys enjoyed.